What's up, guys? RyFips here. Just want to let you all know that the big G Wagon has sold. It's off to its new owner in Toronto. Thank you, August Motors. And guess what? This is our little family Toyota pickup truck as well, and I've sold it. So when something goes, something else has got to come in. So what did I buy? You'll have to watch the rest of the vlog to find out. All right, guys, here we are. It is car reveal time. I got my brand new car. Here's my salesman.
I'm Andrew, super pumped to be here today. Ryan and I have been working on this for months. We did a custom build.
And he is wearing a Lamborghini shirt. So you guys all wanted me to get a Lamborghini Urus. So are you guys ready for it? Here we go. So we got you guys. It's not a Lamborghini Urus, obviously.
It's a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon Edition. I'm not from Lamborghini. I'm actually from Kamloops with the Knight Automotive Group and Rivershore Ram.
The reason why I bought this truck is my buddy, my neighbor, he actually owns this dealership. So I went to him. They gave me an amazing deal. So if you guys need a Jeep, Dodge, Ram, any of those things, this is your guy. So this is a Jeep Rubicon. Tell me more about the Rubicon.
Yeah, so the Rubicon, off-road warrior, weekend warrior, ready for any adventure you're gonna go outside and play with. We've got 4 heavy-duty skid plates. We've got Fox shocks in every corner. Front and rear differential lockers. 410 rear axle ratio, ready to crawl up anything, as you can see. With the front sway bar disconnected, it's ready to roll.
My favorite part though is it's a full convertible. You can take all those panels off, and it's got leather seats, a heated steering wheel. My big G Wagon didn't even have that. So I am stoked to be driving this all winter long.
Don't forget the doors come off, the windshield comes off, all the carpet comes out. You can pressure wash it right inside out.
So there you go, guys. I'm stoked to go for a ride in this thing. So we'll see you guys later. So some of you guys might be wondering, why did I get a truck, Jeep Gladiator? Well, I've got a really large family. I got a boat, I own a vineyard, I need a truck. So when I started looking to see what truck to get, I first looked at a Chevy Colorado ZR2 because they're kind of lifted, beefy looking off-road tires. And I test drove a diesel one because I thought a diesel would be pretty rad. And after I test drove that, I was really hoping, I've always been a Ford guy my whole life. My first real truck for myself was a Ford Ranger, and then I got a F-150, then I had an F-350, and I always went 4x4ing. And actually the last F-350 that I had, I ended up having an 18-inch lift, cutout bushwhacker flares, and 49-inch tall tires. So I was hardcore into 4x4ing back in the day. So I was really hoping that Ford would make the Ranger into a Raptor, which they haven't for the North American market yet, so that was out of the picture. So I'm a Ford fan, but couldn't get a Raptor. They're just too boring. So Jeep came out with their Gladiator truck, and this thing is so cool on paper with a convertible. It's got all the tech. So I just knew that it was gonna be the Jeep truck as soon as they announced that it was coming out. And that's kind of why I ended up going with it. It's super rad, it's super techy. It's like a G Wagon for 4x4ing ability, but it's got a truck box in the back. So it just works for what I want and my needs. This is a brand new 2020 Gladiator, but there's no way I'm keeping it stock. So stay tuned. A little bit later in the vlog, you will see or hear what I'm gonna do to this thing. So I can't keep anything stock, so I'm gonna modify the crap out of this thing. I'm gonna do studded winter tires because our winters in Canada can be pretty hectic. And then it's gonna get a set of 37-inch Nitto mud tires. I'm getting the tires right away, but they're probably not gonna get put onto the spring, but it's gonna look really rad. I'm gonna run it without a lift and see if they rub. If they rub, it's getting a little bit of a lift. I'll also have to put on some amp research steps because I'm short, and with 37s and a possible lift, it's gonna be quite tall. So some drop down steps so I can get in and out of it nice and easy. And also there's a lot of red on this thing. This is how they came stock. So I'm removing all the red on the outside of the truck and I'm changing it to orange. So this thing's gonna be, pumpkin orange on the sides, and I think it's gonna look pretty rad on the stingray color because the color is sick, but it needs a little RyFips personal touch. So those are the main things that I've got happening right away. I got one more thing. I'm gonna send this thing off to Mirror Image Customs. My buddy Andy over there, he's gonna do a full ceramic coat. He's gonna do front end paint protection film put over the whole front end. And then he's gonna do all the orange add-on stickers and stuff like that. So this thing, after he's done with it, it's gonna look rad. So look forward to that, guys. That's a wrap for the new reveal of the 2020 Gladiator to my fleet. Let's welcome it to Lamborghini Kelowna. I'm super stoked about it. Hope you guys are. And don't forget, 10,000 subscribers, somebody gets a ride in one of my Lambos. You get to pick. It's gonna be amazing. So sign up, I don't know how to do this stuff. Sign up, follow, like, hit the notification button, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.